Absolutely lovely little sunset. Something. But, oh my god, fucking hell. Go! Oh my god, this seagull keeps on steady flying into my light. What is he trying to do? Yeah, well that's lovely, that's a lovely little 600 nice, very nice. Oh yeah, have you ordered food by any chance? Thank you. Guess so. It doesn't reply, so that's me. Oh, hiya. Have you ordered food? 126. Yeah, so you haven't ordered food? Okay. No worries. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, life.
Sorry, mate.
No worries, man. No worries. Enjoy. Bye.